Why that one is serious. New law could require Jamaicans to explain their wealth or risk losing it all.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless hello and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know me always say health over wealth, and your health is your wealth. So take care of it. See? Now my people, I see in the paper. Jamaica, them coming up with a new strategy. Well, maybe them have it in plan for long time in talks, in suggestions. Now, it look like them have plan for launch it next year, so all of the people who have them money abroad, you know, who earn them money wrongfully, whether by hustling, you know, whatever you have to do, illegal stuff like drugs or so. Yeah, if you can't show account, oh, you come by your millions. You know what I mean? Them a plan to take it away. You get me? Yeah, man. But you don't know as usual, no people, after the brief introduction. See?
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Sissy, salute, let's see bad boss I represent for who? Saturday, and it's all about a earphone party, the 8th of August, where them say touch a white, it's going to be epic, it's going to be lit, it definitely going to be high. So you may say, every dance, every diva, mark the register, bright and early, bright and Shirley. Remember, continue study, social distance. You hear me? I say, had the maddest, so tag up in the pocket and come vanish the bar. That's how we arrive. Hey, England. That's how we they go par. Only £20 to enter the grounds. No need of rounds. That party are rated world renowned. Touch a white. Hey, Saturday, and you the general, you the Dan. Hey, that's them of all times. Unless you don't represent the dads them of all time. Saturday, divas of all time. Touch a white, I go hot. Earphone party shot. Hey, from she look good, tipper. Shape good, tipper. Waist good, tipper. Sata, tipper. Well, bad man, we no watch, girl. We no watch it. And we no lab and our chat, girl. And let's say that tell you about England and the maddest, you're deaf. Welcome one and all, come all a ball. Yo, we representing dancehall. Let's say your rise never fall. Blessings to one and all.
Story about my life. Remember, man, it's when it comes to hard life and poverty. I'm if you tell them about it. They have 21 years experience. Big up all who can relate. Who feels it knows, who feels it knows. I don't guys figure.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know who feels it knows. Check out that song they say, who feels it knows. Because enough people have them wealth and lose it, you know. So if you look up on a vlog here, you don't know who feels it knows. Check out the song and check out the video, the link will be in the description. But anyway, my people, yeah. Boy, I'm here to tell a story. I saw on the paper, you know, it say, yo, Jamaicans could be required by the end of next year, 2021, to explain their wealth or risk losing it. You know what I mean? Risk losing it, confiscated by the state. It's one of the items agreed among stakeholders, the opposition, and the government in the national consensual of crime. See? So basically, them say, yo, by the end of next year, 2021, you know, if you can rectify or show how you came by having your wealth, your big house, the money in your bank account, your car and the bike and all of them things there, and you're there abroad, or the person name where you have it, you know. Because remember, you know, the Babylon them catch up on everything now, the government them. Worse than new one, the Andrew Homeless. You might use smart badness. Young, fresh ideas, you know, fresh intelligence. See, and I might work with the man them from abroad, America, England. There's so much money them I give for Jamaica. Yeah, because enough things them want cut out. We see America lock out the world. Enough place America shut down Trump, see? Where Trump I say, yo, no drugs, all of the drug law, them cartel them I get wall, shut down. bad as them, you see me? Yeah. And I same thing with England. You get my viewers and subscribers. Enough people can relate to this, you know, because in the late last year, before the corona chip in, yeah, late last year, you see me? I know a brother, I don't know him good still, but I know of him, you know. Yeah, when I tap man, them take him off of the plane. Man just come off a boat ride. Zine. And them take him off of the plane. Them a watch him for how long, you know. Yeah, them a do a 95, well, them up on the road. And the road get hot and you don't know, things and time change up. And the government and the police them a find every little loophole and every ideas and so them kind of find a 9 to 5 job. See, and dip on them 9 to 5 job and I do him things same way. You get me? Yeah. And as soon as I come off of the boat ride, so and go up on the plane, them take him off of the plane. Zine guy in my yard, take with all them designer clothes, everything. Zine. Yeah man, take with everything, designer clothes, shoes, everything. Money in a bank account over here. You know what I mean? Everything. Zine. Yeah, one of my brethren, I know him good. I tell me, give me the story, you know. And I say, yeah, you know him, man, you see me? Which I said, I know of him, know him, but not like, to talk to good, you see me? But yeah, the man knows everything, brother, people. And what make it worse, I say, why am I having money up over here in the UK, you know? And the man I say, boy, him family, them let him down so much time. So much time, them use up him money, you get me? Yeah. Them use up him money so much time. Him get fed up and say he must save it himself, and I want a name over here, so. And I just say I'm going wrong now, you see me? You see it, and then again, I see him thing, you know, say your family them out, and you try with them and them let it down, you know. And now, them take the man off of the plane. In that prison, you know. You see me? I remember telling them watching from long time. See? So right now, Andrew Holness and him cronies them want to seize everything. Enough man a yard, the top man a yard of them big house, you know, them fat ride and them thing there, you know. So them a go after everything. Them, and when all them confiscate some of them thing there, you know, them a hold on upon them, you know, some of the money them, you know, all the tax people them, you know. A Jamaica, you know. Yeah, you know them work already. You get me? My viewers and subscribers. I want to talk somebody in this and make them see it and be aware. See? Let them be aware of what's going on. By the end of next year, you know. Yeah, by the end of next year, 2021, them a plan for chip it in. If you can't get account, you know what I mean? Of how you come by having this big house, this big car, and this loaded bank account, everything I gonna get seized. You know what I mean? Yes, so at that, Andrew Holness and his friend them a plan. You know what I mean? You don't know me see so I feel just try to share it to my people, my viewers and subscribers. Then they go up on the journey, you know, the slave, you know, you don't know. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. I don't know a message you say saying I know Line for TV, equal rights and justice we deal with and freedom of speech and righteousness and help everyone, you know what I mean? Yeah, people if you stop it. Well, them better than people and help people. Unity we stand divided we fall, you get me? Yes, my people, that are going on, what are going on, man. New law could require Jamaicans to explain their wealth. Zine? Or risk losing it all. You get me? Yeah, man, so that's the thing to my people. Make sure we have an account. And you see when time them draft up on the people, them, the individuals, them I go back like 5 years into them now. Go back like 1 year or so, you know. Them I go back by the years where you should have if you accomplish this. So like say you have 10 million or 10,000 in your account. Then I go back by if you that work, I do a 9 to 5, how much a week I used to get, how much a month I used to get. And within that five year period, you know what I mean, you should have this and that. So how comes you have X amount more than that? Or you come by it. I saw them a deal with it, you know. Don't feel like you can say, alright, I have my pay slip them for 1 year. You see me? I have 10 million in your account or any figure where you should earn more than that year. Say if you earn 20,000 for the year or 22,000 for the year, and you have 50 million in your account or 50,000 in your account, you have to show account how you get the next 28 million or the next 28,000. You get me, my viewers and subscribers? Yeah, man, that's the thing there. They say, for sure, it's Andrew Homeless. Him not play. Him a everywhere. See man cripple dancehall. You see me? And enough thing, the port gone, the wharf gone. You know what I mean? Lease out for how much years and them sitting there. JPS, everything we own gone, you know. I know the man a link with the overseas associates them. See? Yes. And the Jamaica consensual, you know what I mean? National consensual people them. They come together and a plan for what I'm for go on, you get me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I see you sitting, man. I don't know, that I just want to share with you, you know, so big up on yourself, you know. Equal rights and justice, and peace and love, you know. Yeah, man, I want to check out that song, a very uplifting song by Tilly Bop, you know. Yeah, blessed love, a lion foot, and I'm out. Tilly Bop, big up.
The voice of the one they call her, Tilly Bop. Song titled All That.
Let me know that make them go crazy. Rastafari never weak in the whole Islam. Babylon we say them have to fear me. Everything that them can never own.
Them know it, Lord. Emperor Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our room.